Basta kay Sir Rojan, ibang klase. Let's go! Okay, welcome muli sa ating klase. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang Article 1307. Dito sa article na to, dinidiscuss ang tungkol sa innominate contracts. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng innominate contracts? At ano mga rules governing innominate contracts? Ano nga ba? Ready ka na? Sige, start tayo. Let's go! Ayan, sige, basahin muna natin. Article 1307. Innominate contracts shall be regulated by the stipulations of the parties, by the provisions of Titles 1 and 2 of this book, by the rules governing the most analogous nominate contracts, and by the customs of the place. So this article na to, dinidiscuss ang kinds of contracts as to the governing authorities. So, kinds of contracts according to as to the governing authorities. So meron tayong dalawang kinds as to the governing authorities. Number one, yung nominate contracts na tinatawag. Nominate contracts. Or ito yung tinatawag nating special contracts. Special contracts. So pag sinabi nating special contracts, ito yung mga contract na binigyan ng special name which is governed by a particular set or provisions of law. So, meron siyang contract with a special name, contract given with special name, which is governed by particular set of provisions of law. Particular law. Yan. Yan. So, ano mga example natin yan? Example, contract of sale, contract of loan, contract of lease, contract of agency, contract of partnership, contract of mortgage, ayan. So marami yan. Basta merong pangalan yung contract. So example natin is contract of loan, contract of sale, contract of partnership, yan. So marami yan, marami. Agency, partnership, agency, yan. So, ano yung governing authorities na applicable sa nominate contracts? So, ang mga governing authorities governing these special contracts ay meron tayong hierarchy. Okay? In order of preference. In order of preference. So, sinasabi dyan, ano yung mga nag-govern sa mga special contracts? Number one, edi yung specific law under the Civil Code. Kung contract of sale, edi law on sales. Contract of agency, edi law on agency. Okay? So, in order of preference, number one, or letter A, yung specific law under the Civil Code. Specific law under Civil Code. Okay? Halimbawa ay law on sales. Okay? Law on agency. Okay? Kung meron silang special laws. Okay? Ngayon, kung wala silang special law governing the special contracts, edi ang gagamitin or susundin natin na governing law is law on obligations and contracts. Law on obligations and contracts. Okay? Yung pangalawang kind ng contract as a governing authority is yung innominate contracts. Yan. So ito naman, ang ibang tawag natin dyan is contratos innominados. Okay? Contratos innominados. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga contracts na walang particular name or special name, tapos governed by general laws on contracts. So govern contracts with no particular name. With no special name. So, hindi siya katulad ng nominate. Contract of loan, contract of sale, contract of partnership. Yan. So, ito wala silang pangalan. So, meron tayong mga classes niyan, ano? Okay? Ano ba yung mga instances na pwedeng magkaroon ng innominate contracts? O, number one, ang tawag natin doon, do ut des, or I give and you give. Okay? I give and you give. So, parehas to give. Pangalawa, do ut facias. Ibig sabihin, I give, you do. Okay? And you do. Isang magbibigay, isang may gagawin, to give and to do. Pangatlo, facio ut des. Okay? Facio ut des. Ito naman, I do and you give. Okay? And pang-apat, facio ut facias. Okay? I give and I do and you do. Okay? So yung una, yun yung referring to yung give or do. Pangalo naman, edi yung ka-party or yung ka-contracting party natin. So do is give, no? Facio is do. Okay? Medyo nakakalito, no? Do, tapos ay give, tapos yung facio ay do. No? Ayan. Ano naman ang mga rules? Kung dito, ang governing authorities is based on special law under the civil code, kung ano yung kanyang special law governing the special contract. Tapos kung wala, law on obligations. Yun yung sinasabi sa 1307. Since wala silang special name at wala silang special law governing the special contracts, ang magiging governing authorities, first, it will be regulated by the stipulation of the parties under the innominate contract. Pangalawa, yung titles 1 and 2, which is oblicon, okay, obligations and contracts. Pangatlo, yung rules governing the most analogous nominate contracts. Yung halos katulad na niya. Okay? Although hindi man siya yung special contract na yon, pero parang ganun na rin siya yung nature niya. So most analogous nominate contract and custom of the place of contract. Kung saan sila nagkasunduan or nagkasundo. Okay? So, yun. Simple lang naman yung 1307. Dinidiscuss lang niya ang ibig sabihin ng innominate. Under siya ng kinds of contract as a governing authorities. Basically, may dalawang klase tayo. Nominate, which means special contracts. Innominate, edi wala siyang pangalan, no? Therefore, ang rules na mag-govern sa kanya is sinabi sa 1307, stipulation, obligations and contracts, law, tapos yung most analogous nominate contracts, and the customs of the place. Okay? So, I hope meron akong dadag sa inyong bagong learning na magagamit din sa inyong mga klase. Kung medyo nabilisan ka, ulitin mo yung lecture natin, I'm sure makukuha mo rin yan. Laging sinasabi sa inyo, mag-aral kayo mabuti, mag-ingat palagi, at laging tatandaan, ibang klase ka. Bye-bye!